Okay, so today I'm working on the Ford Ranger pickup truck again, and this truck is 18 years old. It's a 2002. I have not done anything to the headlights in 18 years, and this is what it looks like. See how faded out it is? All oxidized and faded. Well, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to go from this right here, to this right here. See how it's all clear? It's not perfect. It still has little minor pits and stuff in it, but it looks almost brand new compared to that one over there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with a 600 grit sandpaper. Then I'm going to go side to side with it until I get all that yellow off, and then I'll wipe it down. And then I'm going to do a 800 over the top of that and wipe that down, but I'll go the opposite direction. And I'll finish up the hand sandpaper with 1500, and I'll go circles with that all the way around it. And then I have a 600 grit, a 2000 grit wheel sanding block here. And then I got this here. I got a little drill that has a buff so I can do a compound. And then I'm going to compound it with final cutting glaze, clear. I'm going to cut it with that, and then I'm going to come on top of that with a polish and polish it clear. That's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to get to work. Okay, so I'm all done, and look at this clear. I wouldn't say it's brand new looking, but it definitely looks a lot better than it did. One thing to note that I would do different on a nicer car, I would tape this all off, all in here, because I'm not real careful with it, because all this paint is toast. This whole truck has to be repainted. See how the paint is shot, which is one of the projects on the list of things to do. So tape off around that. And one quick note of something I did different is I did the 6, 8, 1500. Then I came in with the cutting compound, cut it all in with the cutting compound. Then I came back with the 2000 grit after wiping it all down. Did a 2000 on top of that for the final cut in. And then I did the cutting compound over the top of that again. And once I got done with the cutting compound, I went in with a polish and finished and polished it all up with a polish. And this is what I got. So I'm very impressed by the results. I researched this for a while before doing it. There's a couple other cars I want to do I kind of want to do my wife's car and get that done, and then definitely do the Lincoln. But I wanted to test with this car that has kind of crappy paint. And this is a project I'm kind of trying to fix up. And if you have any questions about what I did, definitely write me. I will comment back. So thanks for watching my video, and you have a nice day.